Hey guys, it's Shamira, and today we're gonna be reviewing some fun items from the winter box. You definitely wanna stick around to the end because I have a promo code for you. First, we're gonna look at what I'm maybe most excited for, which are these sleep bonnets. I tested these out. I used this last night, and you guys are not gonna believe this, especially for my curly, wavy girls out here. This is third day hair. Right? But basically, I just put this on to sleep with, and that way my hair doesn't get frizzy, the curls stay together, and you just look really nice when you wake up. Also, what's so cool about this is that it's satin. I feel like I'm just overly touching it because it's so soft. It's gonna be really good for your hair, and that's what makes it not frizzy and keeps it together. So, and what is it? Ow! Just whip myself with this, okay? Yeah, it has this drawstring, so it doesn't fall off at night. So with my past bonnets, they don't have a drawstring, and I basically have to put in bobby pins and sleep like a statue, and it's really painful. So yeah, this is ideal. So next, we have this olive oil bottle. You guys, how cute is this? This is fancy, you know? This is, I don't know, it's a little something. If you had this displayed at your house and someone came in, they'd be like, oh, she's a chef, yes? I think this is just so cute, and honestly, it's a little bit of a flex. But I feel like a fancy olive oil deserves to go in a bottle like this, but also you can just use a regular olive oil and it will still be great. Next, we have all of these kitchen utensils. Ooh. And I have this little utensils jar, so these will look super cute in there. And it comes in 2 different colors, so you can decide what color you want, red or gray. I can really live my cool glam girl dreams with this Glamnetic, Glamnetic, hilarious. So these are magnetic, and I've always wanted to try magnetic eyelashes because it actually takes me 5 years to put on fake eyelashes. I have to get ready with other people who know how to do it for me because I just can't do it myself. So these are gonna make it super easy because you just put on the eyeliner and then it magnetically attaches. It's crazy. I'm looking at it because I'm just so amazed. And they're really natural looking, so if you're new to eyelashes, it's not gonna be, insane, but it'll still look pretty and natural. So, this is a lunchbox. So look, it has a little compartment for spoon, fork, chopsticks, which is so classy. Then we're gonna open this part up. So it looks like this. You can have your little lunch. So cute. I'm super excited about this. I'm all about lunch boxes that are aesthetically pleasing as well. Next, we have this Scarfigan, which is a scarf cardigan. I did not make that up. Apparently that's a thing. It's a word. Very excited to use that in my everyday life. Can you pass me my Scarfigan? Yeah, this is nice because if you have a plain outfit, you can just throw this on and spice it up. Also, for people who are always cold, this is nice to just throw on and be all cozy and cute. The material is super soft. I really like this kind of thing. I just feel cozy. This with the mug in the morning, that's a good way to start the day. Next, we have these mugs. These are super cute. My favorite thing in the morning is to wake up with my little puppy Sage and get coffee, drink coffee, and then take her on a walk because she's crazy. And if I don't take her on a walk immediately, I can't work. If you can see on the inside, it has a little flower and says XX Lilly, so cute. And it's also the perfect cozy winter shape. You know what I mean? It's a set of 2, so if you use one day, put it in the dishwasher, you have another one for the other day. I'm always looking for sets, Cheers. All right, you guys, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and then also turn on your post notifications so that you won't miss out on any other spoilers. And the promo code, come closer and I'll whisper it. The promo code is close up. Okay, so you can use that to get a discount on your winter box, so go do it.